Yo, what's going on, guys? Same spot, different video. Me and Ian are going riding again, same little sand pit, but this time we got little Brandon Ford coming with us, and I got the chin mount for my GoPro, so hopefully we'll get better shots, but I'll see you guys when we get there. And look, Ian's got the sticker on here. We're about to slap a sticker on Brandon's truck. I have that other one too. Sick, dude. Alright guys, I'm out here, out of breath, been riding around. Hopefully you guys saw some footage on the GoPro. Me and Brandon hit a couple new jumps. There you go. That bike's obnoxious. Ian's taking a break. Well, I'm gonna try and get some video real quick for you guys. Yo guys, so I didn't end up getting to end the video because my phone died, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Obviously it wasn't really KX250 versus the FC250. I mean it was, but we weren't really comparing them head to head. We were just kind of messing around. But if you guys would like to see us do like a real comparison, of Brandon's bike, the 2017 KX 250 versus my 2017 Husqvarna FC 250. Let us know down in the comments below. We could definitely do something like that. We couldn't do that for any time soon because, as you guys can tell, we got a bunch of snow. This video was made before my last video, and as you guys can tell in my last video, we got a bunch of snow. Not as much down here, but we still do have snow on the ground, so we can't really ride. Also, guys, if you have stickers and you put them on anything, make sure you take a picture of them and send them to me, and I'll try and put them in the video. As you guys can see, my friend Bobby has one on his ski helmet, and in the previous video you saw Evan has them on his ski helmet as well. But that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.